actions are the meat of gameplay. Or maybe the tofu of gameplay if you're a vegetarian. Either way, this is where the most important choices are made. Which lane do you cast your creature to? Can you apply pressure to your opponent by using an aura enhancement or maybe an ability? Here is where we're going to cover all the options that might be available to you when it's your turn to take an action. There is not a set number of turns per round. Instead, the round ends when all lanes have been resolved. Actions are not optional. You can't pass your turn. Instead, you must choose and declare a mission in an open lane if you have no other actions to perform. Here's the list of all the actions you might consider on your turn. Play a card from hand. Play your caster. Use an activated ability of a card in play. Declare a mission. Resolve the lane. Enhance a lane with aura. Trade aura. While this may seem like a lot to consider, most of the time you'll either be playing a card or declaring a mission to resolve the lane. Declaring a mission usually causes a player to score. You might also wish to use an activated ability of a card in play. This usually has a cost. The cost can vary, but it can be an aura cost or sometimes it is paid by tapping the creature. Tapped creatures don't count their influence when resolving a mission, as a reminder. Occasionally, a cost to use abilities is paid by sacrificing a card in play or discarding a card. Enhancing a lane with aura requires a card in the lane to have the aura enhancement symbol. Then you take an untapped aura from your zone and place it in that lane. It adds to your influence and adds destruction, which means if you win the mission, your opponent must shatter one of their cards in that lane. The trade aura action is how you add more aura types to your aura zone so you can play multiple card colors in your deck. Trading aura is related to your chosen caster. The in-trading casters don't have the ability to trade aura, so we'll cover it more in the full game videos. You'll quickly learn that every action is precious in this game. Keep track of how many lanes are still open so you don't lose your chance to do something important before the final lane is resolved. Before you can earn your own lab coat though, you still need to understand scoring. Slam that module in the lab like you're going to slam your opponent in the first match.